Liquid Peptides is a jam-packed 30% peptide blend that uses a drone-based delivery system to target visible signs of aging. Peptides often find it difficult to get to where they need to be. They are large and aren't oil soluble, therefore struggle to penetrate the skin's natural lipid barrier. Here at Medik8, we wanted to provide our customers with the very best in anti-aging technology and find a solution to harness the power of peptides. Enter Liquid Peptides, infused with a complex drone-based delivery system to push the peptides to maximum power in the skin. This ultra-hydrating serum helps to fight expression wrinkles while visibly fading fine lines, rejuvenating elasticity and refining the texture of the skin. The results are clear. The skin is left visibly firm, plump and ultimately more youthful looking. Peptides are short chains of amino acids and are the building block of proteins. In skincare, they are used to help reinforce the proteins naturally occurring in the skin. We use a 30% blend of lots of different peptides to harness an array of anti-aging benefits. Matrixyl 3000 helps to trick skin cells into producing more collagen, while our Duralox can help to block signals for muscle contraction to minimise the appearance of expression lines. Carnosine is a protective peptide that prevents glycation-based skin aging, while multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates to ensure optimum skin health. Remember, peptides often find it difficult to penetrate the skin. We had to find a way to transport this peptide complex and their powerful benefits into the deeper layers of the skin, where they are needed the most. A true innovation, we boosted our 30% peptide blend with a drone-based delivery system. A copper peptide is encapsulated in a polymer shell, with external peptides which fit into receptors on the outside of collagen-producing fibroblast cells. Once successfully targeted and released into the fibroblast cells, the polymer encapsulation is naturally broken down and the peptide inside can diffuse out of the encapsulation. The copper peptide helps to stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, resulting in visibly plumper, more youthful looking skin. Liquid Peptides is perfect for those who want to smooth lines or wrinkles and is an ideal booster for an anti-aging CSA routine. After cleansing in the morning and evening, massage 6 drops of Liquid Peptides across the face, neck and decolletage. Leave to absorb before applying moisturiser.